Welcome, friends. Over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be doing a few recipes that use Ras el Hanout as the flavoring base or the spice mix. And so I thought I'd show you how to make the spice mix so that you can replicate the recipes if you wanted to. Now, Ras el Hanout is a spice mix most commonly attributed to Morocco or the North African region. And it translates generally to top of the shop, top shelf. Essentially what it means is it's the best spice mix that spice purveyor has. And there's no real clear consensus of what is in the spice mix. There's no definitive answer. I can't tell you that it has 6 spices or 5 spices or anything like that. It's really up to the spice purveyor, and it's up to the individual families that make it at home. And everyone's going to do it a little bit differently. They're all going to add their little bit of something because they want people to come and buy their spice mix. And I'm sure a lot of the mixes are very tightly held. They're not going to tell you what's in it. But generally, you will recognize the flavors. Even if they are all different, you're going to recognize the flavors and say, oh, Ras el Hanout. So let's get down to business and do the one that I make. Cumin, coriander, allspice, black pepper, white pepper, anise, cloves, ground cinnamon, ground ginger, and ground cayenne. And that's it. I put the ground spices into the grinder and regrind them with everything else just because I think it's easier to get everything mixed together that way. And if there was anything in that list of spices that you don't like, leave it out. If there's anything in that list of spices that you really like, put in a bit more. I would suggest that you shop around and take a look at dozens of Ras el Hanout recipes and figure out what you want to have in the spice blend. I mean, you have to please yourself first. Oh, that smells wonderful. To me, that's really nice. I will probably play with this spice blend for the rest of my life and keep changing it. As for the taste that I have at that particular time, or because I'm trying to find something new, so this is one that you just need to play with. Thanks for stopping by, and check out those upcoming recipes where we use this spice. See you again soon.